What if adding captions and dubbing could double your views? No extra filming, just AI. I ran a controlled experiment. 3 shorts, added accurate captions in 2 dubbed languages, then tracked the results for 48 hours. Studies show captions can increase watch time by double-digit percentages, and localization helps you reach large non-English audiences. That's views and revenue you were leaving on the table. My hypothesis: translated captions and dubbed audio would increase non-English views, boost average view duration, and bring new subscribers from those countries. KPIs: views, CTR, average view duration, and subscriber growth by country. Tools: ChatGPT for quick translation edits, InVideo AI for captioning and auto-translation, ElevenLabs for natural dubbing, and YouTube Studio for analytics. I built one clean short in English. Key tip: use neutral visuals and avoid on-screen text tied to a single language. Makes localization easier. Use InVideo's AI subtitle generator, then manually clean up the captions. Auto captions are good, but small errors change meaning, and that kills retention. Accuracy matters. Translate captions with ChatGPT, prompt with context for slang, and also translate the title, description, and tags. That improves local discoverability. Use ElevenLabs dubbing feature to create a natural-sounding dub. Match voice tone to your original. Calm versus energetic. Nitruan stag were Polbird. Instinder and Dachinina Ensindi export MP3s for each language. Import the dubbed MP3 into the advanced editor. Mute the auto voice. Replace caption files and export a single video per language. Export settings: 1080p, 916 for shorts or 16:9 for long form. We ran A/B style tests. Control: Sambustan original English short with no captions. Variant: Sapus English with captions plus Spanish dub. Upload times: thumbnails and descriptions were kept identical except the localized metadata. After 48 hours, the localized versions performed significantly better in target regions. Non-English views grew by roughly 30%, average view duration increased, ARPers 18%, and subscribers from those regions rose about 12%. Key lessons: auto-translate without review and you'll lose meaning. Match voice, tone, and cadence to the market. Tweak thumbnails to local aesthetics. Colors and emoji use differ regionally. ChatGPT translation prompt: translate the following YouTube caption file into Colombian Spanish. Keep it casual, keep timestamps, and adjust idioms to Latin American Spanish. ElevenLabs settings recommended: voice, Rijoker Chris, or local equivalent. Stability 4852, clarity 7075, speed Rijoker 1.0. InVideo: use auto subtitle generator. Export SRT, replace with translated SRT. Upload dubbed MP3. Measure these KPIs per language, and track retention heat maps for each version. A pleasant 30% lift in non-English views is a promising win. If you want my global reach starter kit, prompts, templates, and a translation checklist, I bundled it for creators testing localization. Try InVideo AI, it does captions plus translations, and grab the kit in the description. Subscribe for more experiments and tell me which language I should test next: Spanish, Hindi, or Portuguese.